Taking your business online is a powerful way to reach a global audience. With numerous platforms available, choosing the right one can be challenging. In this video, we'll explore top online selling sites to help you decide. First, let's dive into the e-commerce giants. Amazon, eBay, and Walmart Marketplace are leaders with vast customer bases and robust seller tools. These platforms are perfect for maximizing visibility and sales for both individuals and businesses. Next, we explore platforms for handmade and unique products. Etsy, Artfire, and Zibbit cater to artisans and vintage sellers. These marketplaces attract buyers who value creativity, making them ideal for small business owners and creatives. For those seeking full control over their online store, Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce are excellent choices. These platforms offer customizable websites, seamless payment options, and social media integrations, perfect for building a strong brand identity. Now, let's discuss fashion and clothing platforms. Poshmark, Depop, and Grailed specialize in selling new and used fashion items. These sites connect sellers with fashion-conscious buyers, ideal for clothing, accessories, and designer pieces. Specialty platforms are also significant. Reverb is tailored for musical instruments, while Ruby Lane focuses on antiques and collectibles. These niche platforms connect sellers with passionate buyers specifically seeking these unique items. Social selling platforms shouldn't be overlooked. Facebook Marketplace and Instagram Shopping allow direct sales to followers, tapping into billions of users. These platforms are great for casual sellers or businesses wanting personal engagement. With so many options, choosing the right online selling site depends on your products and goals. Whether crafting handmade items or building a full-scale store, these platforms offer opportunities to reach the right customers. Start exploring today.